Welcome to Sharpen Skill for middle school students. And we have free online classes for students. Any student can join. Students from all over the world can join our free online classes. This is for middle school students. We have another group where free classes are provided for either those who are preparing for Olympiads or those who are preparing for job related competitive examinations like railway, banking, public service commission. So we have two groups, but anybody can join anywhere. Absolutely free online classes for both students and job seekers. Now here we have uh, these are sharpened skills. You may not be actually having these questions, but these will help you to get over math phobia. It will develop your intuitive skill because these are based on facts which you already know. Nothing new under the sun. These facts you knew. For instance, if you are in class 7, these facts you know right from class 4 and 5. But the application, where to apply, how to apply, that's where you get nervous. By seeing the figure, that daunting, you get nervous, but actually, these are meant to improve your quick intuitive skill and also to help you get over math phobia. So here we have a triangle and a rectangle on a common base. Now this is important. On a common base, that means the base is a single straight line. The bottom of the triangle and the bottom of the rectangle is one straight line. This is going to be very important. The bottom is a single straight line, the base of the rectangle and the triangle, one continuous line, one continuous straight line. And this 24 degree, that is the angle between the vertical side of the rectangle and the slanting side of the triangle. Between the rectangle and the triangle, the angle 24 degrees. The triangle, as you can see, is isosceles. You can see the two angles are marked equal. Isosceles triangle, and the vertical angle is M. M is the vertical angle. The two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, a rectangle, and the angle between them 24 degrees. We have to find the value of M. We have to find the value of M. Nothing difficult. Nothing difficult. Step by step, if you proceed, you'll see how easy it is. So, let us see and sharpen skill for middle school students. If you want to join free online classes from anywhere in the world, contact us. So let us see how to find the vertical angle M. So the skills you need, that means these are the facts you need to know to solve. These are simple facts, basic facts, that if you have a rectangle, then each angle is 90 degrees. Each of the angles equal to 90 degrees. In a rectangle, you have four corners, four vertices, four angles, and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Second, in isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. If the triangle is isosceles, then base angles are equal. And lastly, the sum of the three angles of a triangle, 180 degrees. These are the simple basic facts, and everyone knows these facts, that in a rectangle or a square, each angle would be a right angle, 90 degrees. If the triangle is isosceles, the base angles would be equal. And if you add all the three angles of a triangle, it would be 180 degrees. These are three facts well known to everyone, and you will require only these three facts to solve this problem. Let us see how. Now you can see a small uh, a red patch, a red rectangle actually, inside the big rectangle at the corner. At the corner you can see a small red rectangle blinking. And this denotes it is a right angle. It is a symbol for right angle. It is a symbol for right angle. That means what we are emphasizing, this angle is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. Now, the blinking arc in the triangle, see the blinking arc. This blinking arc, it denotes the base angle of this triangle, one of the base angles, and that is represented by y. Y can have any value. It can be 10, 20, 30. This is y. So y is the angle, y is a number, y degrees. So y is a measure of the angle, base angle of the triangle, one of the base angles of the triangle, and this blinking red rectangle at the corner of the big rectangle, that is denoting this angle is 90 degrees. And since they lie on the same straight line, that's what we said, it is very important. Since they all lie on the same straight line, the total should be 180 degrees. Straight angle, y plus 24 plus this 90. 90 for the rectangle, 24 given, and y, the base angle of this triangle. If you add all, you will get a straight angle, because this is a straight line, that should be 180. So the rectangle vertex is 90. You can see the blinking red rectangle, small rectangle. The base angle of the triangle is y. You can see the blinking arc, and this is 24 given. So the total from here, if we say y plus 24 plus 90, it should be 180. That is a straight angle. So y will be equal to 24 and 90, you take to the other side. 180 minus 90 minus 24, that is 66. So the value of y is 66 degrees. That's the value of the angle y. The angle y, the base angle of the triangle, is 66, because this y plus 24 plus this 90 of this rectangle, the total should be 180. So y is 66. Now the triangle is isosceles. So if one base angle is 66, the other base angle should also be 66. One base angle is 66, the other base angle should also be 66. So we are getting two angles, 66 comma 66 comma the third angle m. The three angles are m at the top, that is the vertical angle, and 66 comma 66, the two base angles, and sum of the three angles of a triangle 180. The third fact, the sum of the three angles of a triangle 180. So 66 plus 66, the two base angles, plus the vertical angle m. So 66 plus 66 plus m equal to 180. That is the sum of the angles of a triangle. So m will be equal to 180 minus 66 minus 66. Both the 66 numbers we take to the other side. So 180 minus 66 minus 66, that is giving you 48. So the vertical angle m is 48. 48 degrees. 48 degrees, that's the value of the vertical angle. So all we employed simple things like sum of the angles equal to 180, base angles of isosceles triangle equal a rectangular square, each angle equal to 90 degrees. So simple facts, by applying one by one, we solve the value of m. That is how it works. You don't have to get nervous. You don't have to get math phobia. Simple facts you already know. Just you have to apply step by step, and you can solve any problem. Any problem you can solve without getting nervous, without having any what you call cold sweats, without being afraid of math, no math phobia. So if you know simple facts and apply them, you can solve even apparently confusing problems. It's not confusing, but the figure might look confusing, but you applied simple facts. That rectangle means each angle 90. Isosceles triangle means both angles equal. Sum of the three angles of a triangle 180 is simple facts. So that was the solution. M equal to 48, the vertical angle 48 degrees. So we have free online classes available for students up to class 10. absolutely free of charge. You can join from anywhere in the world you can join. It's completely free. So contact us now so that we may intimate you when the classes are there, or we may schedule the class according to your convenience. That is also possible. We will schedule the class according to your convenience, right? So free online classes. And also remember, particularly people in West Bengal, that it's also available in Bengali. It's available in English. You can also have the same explanations in Bengali. You can have the same things in Bengali or English according to your choice. So even if you are in Bengali medium, don't think it's not for me. It's only for English medium. No, it is also for you. So it's for all students studying in English medium schools or Bengali medium schools. They are also welcome. For them, we will be explaining in Bengali. For them, the questions, the figures might be there, but we will explain in Bengali. So absolute free of charge. Contact us now so that we may actually set up the schedule for a group. So till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.